All right, we got a bow in it. She's got some dirt because I had to push it through the mud. Got a rock. Probably a wire brush would be better for that, wouldn't it? We've got a crack here. Looks like maybe a lightning strike on this. And it's running down at an angle like this. But the core has a split in it, it's running like this. So I got a lightning strike running here and a split here. But I think I'm gonna go with that split. Just trying to get some 4/4 boards. I'm just gonna take a couple live thin slices off the top of this and then go down my 4/4. I only need, it's 13 foot long and I only need 11 for the kiln. If this end has a bunch of wane in it, if I have 2 foot of wane in this, I'm still all right. The small end's 20 outside to outside. For a thin slice. A nice thin slice, huh? It's real thin down here. I got carried away down there, but that was the hump I was really sawing out of it. This is the hump right in here was the hump of that log. So it's not like I'm wasting any wood. This will be firewood, first of all, and second of all, with that hump in there, I had to take out a lot, and that's the fat end. So we're all right. Skinny ends looks good. Have to raise this end up for sure. Definitely have to raise that end up. Oh yeah, we're in trouble down here. Just look at that. So there looks like a lightning strike there, and there looks like one here too. So this might just be total trash by the time I get into it. Now we're at 10.5, at 11.5 down here. Yeah, we should be good. That's 11. This one was 11.5. So this one should be good here. It's still a little over 11. That should be good. That was a nail. That's got to be a nail. And she's diving now. Damn it. The hell's still spinning? Oh, just my roller guide. Roller guide spinning because this blade took such a dive after hitting that nail. Oh, that's not very far up the trunk. That's what I get for taking yard trees. All right, let's see if we can find these nails. You guys want to see these nails? I want to see these nails. 3. Big ass nails. Damn. Huge, huge nails. Dang it. Dang it. I don't know if the crowbar will help or not, but. Wow. Look at the dip that blade took. Crap. Log, this will probably be a crappy video here. Hanging on the log, probably knocked the damn camera off there. Probably fall right off. Alright, let's get these nails out. So we got a log that I thought would be good because it's been in the woods that they just started a housing development on. So I didn't think there'd be any nails in this wood log. And then we've got freaking a lightning strike. Looks like 2 lightning strikes in this log too. So I probably ought to just walk away. Probably be better off if I just walked away. Put it on the burn pile. Start burning this crap up. I don't know if these pliers are gonna get it or not. That probably doesn't sound very good on video, does it? This is going to take a long time. Can't get that in there yet. I have to dig out a lot more to get that in there. There it goes. I think it moved. Ah, broke it off. Well, that ain't no good. Broke it off. Probably lose a chainsaw chain doing it. Damn. But I'm not going to mess around with that. Those are in there. I'm going to just cut them out, I think. Sure seems like I missed him with the chainsaw. Yep. You can sure see the black stains though. So there's what's left, the black stain that's left. But there's the 3 nails. And this one, there's the 3 nails I hit when I was taking off the first cut, and then there's when I tried to dig it out. It didn't wanted to break off instead of to be dug out. Let's see what's left of the blade. I know she's no good, but I might be able to save it. I doubt it. But we're gonna go sharpen it and see. Okay, let's try that again. 4/4. We're cutting at 4/4, so the finished product will be 9/8. And we're gonna take this down past where we had those nail strikes. Hopefully not cut any more nails. And see if we can get a few more 4/4 out of this. And then we'll flip it. Take off the other 2 edges. That was another nail strike. Oh no, that's 4 blades, 1 log. Damn, I should have just trashed this son of a... Oops, son of a gun. Just trashed this son of a gun. Take out the nail strike that struck this nail and this nail. So that's why I say, start hitting nails, just throw a log away. We're done. And there she is. Damn. 5, that's got to be it, right? There's the last one I dug out on the live stream. Nine foot 5. We still got an 8-footer there. We'll turn this over and see if we can find some more nails. I'm going to sharpen this blade. Be right back. Couple pieces. And now we're good. Damn it. Check out that blue stain down there. Oh yeah, that's already dug that out. All dug out there. We have that chainsaw mark in them, but hopefully we're gonna be good. Think? What do you think? What do you think? Well, let's take off a little bit off this, see if it stayed square, level, straight. Oh, that's good. They're going to come down a little bit for 4/4 anyway. And there we go. 5/4. I keep saying 4/4, don't I? I'm cutting 5/4, and we'll get 1 1/8 board. Okay, decent boards. I'll be right back. I gotta go get somewhere to stack this. Supposed to have a place to stack your lumber before you cut it. I do. I just unload the cement blocks off of it. What are those? 8 3/4. Those are 16s. Those are 16s, those are 8 3/4. What do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Decent. The blade's not great, but this is the blade that hit those nails, which is not good. I'm gonna stack these up. Nice boards, nice. 1 1/8 by what I say, 8 3/4. We'll be back to saw the second half of that log. Didn't hit any more nails. That's good. Almost done. Stack it up. Almost forgot to record again. There we go. All done. So this is the one that's no good right there. You can see it's skinny. This is the pith right there. And dang, looks like the pith waves through the center of that. So we're not going to get all of it in one board. I didn't think we would, but you got to try, right? I don't see it in that one. I see this big crack in that one. Got that lightning, and then it came out at the other end too. I don't know if that's, I don't know what that is. I'm sure it has something to do with that. Still don't like the blade, but that's what you get for trying to save a blade that hits a nail. I might try it one more time because I'm a glutton for punishment. Probably ought to just go get a new blade. Here's the one that's no good. When I say no good, it's good. I'm going to save it. I use it for something, but it's not going on this stack. That's for sure. Those are some nice 4/4, 5/4 boards. I keep saying 4/4. I said 4/4 the whole time. I said live 4/4. Like and subscribe. We'll be back. We got a lot more red oak to cut up. I got 1,000 board feet of that to cut. 5/4. So it'll turn out 9/8. Got 1,000 board feet of it to cut. I gotta fill up a kiln. Might cut 2 kilns full of it. I don't know. I might try a kiln full of elm. See what elm does when it's dry. I don't know. Nobody likes elm, but I might see what it looks like. I might just do it for the fun of it. Fun kiln. I got some ash, but not much of it. I got some red oak. I got some mulberry, but it's big. I was hoping to get it on that other mill. Oh, I got some hedge. I could do a kiln full of hedge. Whew. That'd be freaking crazy, wouldn't it? But it'd be nice. Kiln full of hedge. What do I have after that? Oak, pine, and maybe some maple at the end. And then that's if I don't get, that's if nobody shows up. You know, nobody wants anything cut. Nobody wants anything green. Or nobody buys me out of what I have. Kiln dried. But I'm out of kiln dried red oak. So the next kiln load will be that white oak. The white oak that I did a long time ago that was spalted. It's on video. And then the other half of that black oak log that I did, and then the 2 burr oak logs that I did, and they're almost all 2-inch. And then at the same time, a kiln of half walnut and half cherry. And I'm going to try some like 4-inch walnut in that, see how that dries out. I still have a little bit of cedar to cut for my deck, but I'm in no hurry for that. I can put up the deck. I got all the white oak cut for the joists, and I got the poles cut, and then I'll lay what cedar I have, and then I can cut the rest of the cedar later and just put it on there. Green cedar is just fine. It's so dried out. All right, so that's it for this video, but I'm going to get back into doing a heck of a lot of videos here. So hang on, and maybe I can get betterer at editing. Maybe I can edit all of that out and just say better. I get better at editing. Go empty the sawdust for the day and call it a day. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. I got something to drink, I'm sure. We'll get this stacked up and then start over again tomorrow. We got another, looks like another, that one's over 11 foot out there. So we got another 13 foot, and then we'll get into some 11 footers out there.